Hey,
Hello.
can I sit here?
No problem, but I don't know you. Would you mind sitting at another table?
I understand, but I wouldn't be able to talk to you then.
What would you like to talk about?
Actually, I've been noticing you for a while. You look really pretty.
Thank you.
Well, what's your name?
My name is Maria. What's your name?
My name is Rakib. Are you from there?
No. I am from Mexico. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Some time ago, I visited the largest pyramid on Mexico.
Really? You visit the Great Pyramid of Colula.
Yeah, before going there, I thought the largest pyramid was only found on Egypt.
Many people think so.
One thing about Mexico also amazed me.
What's that?
I hear that it's 69 languages spoken in your country.
Well, that's true. I speak Spanish and Zapotec.
In which state is your hometown?
Oaxaca.
It's one of the famous states of Mexico, right?
Right.
What makes it famous?
Oaxaca is known for its indigenous people and culture. There are 16 different indigenous groups in the area.
Wow, that sounds cool. Did you come to America to study or work?
A little of both, but mainly to study.
What are you studying?
I am studying business.
What's your dream job?
I dream of building my own business, one that can create jobs for many people.
That's a big dream. What kind of business are you thinking of?
I'm planning to start an online clothing store.
Do you have a team, or are you going to start alone?
3 of my friends and I are going to start it together.
Do you have any experience in that field?
No. And this will be my first time investing in something.
You're a brave person. How do you feel about taking such a big risk?
To be honest, I'm scared. I'm actually going to invest all my life savings in this business.
It sounds like you're taking a big leap of faith.
Yeah, I am.
Just as a friend, I would recommend starting with a smaller investment. It can give you confidence and experience.
I thought about that, but I calculated that it would take too long to get what I want.
Success doesn't happen overnight, you know?
I agree, but...
Look, Maria, I want you to be happy, so please consider it again.
I promise I will.
And thanks.
It was nice talking to you.
I enjoyed talking to you, too.
Thanks for the conversation. I have to leave now, though. I have an important class.
Okay, thanks for your time. Remember what I said.
Okay.
How can I meet you next?
You can find me here at this time.
Do you come here every day?
Yeah, I come here every day.
What book are you reading right now, Maria?
It's How to Win Friends and Influence People.
Interesting. That book talks about the importance of connections and how they can lead to success, right?
Absolutely.
I was actually thinking of reading another book myself.
Which one?
It's called Atomic Habits.
What's that about?
It explains how taking small steps can change your life. It helps you reach your full potential and makes achieving success easier.
Wow! Thanks for the recommendation. Atomic Habits sounds exactly what I need right now.
You're welcome! You could also try watching a book summary video to get a better understanding of the concepts.
A book summary video?
Yeah, it can be a great way to learn the key points quickly. There's a YouTube channel called Sage ListeningLingo that uploads those kinds of videos. They might have summaries for both How to Win Friends and Atomic Habits. I can even send you the link if you want.
That would be fantastic. Thanks. I'll definitely check it out.
No problem.
Oh, shoot. I'm running late for class. I gotta go. Bye.
Bye. See you later.